Hi, welcome back. So let's take a look at how we can split tables using SQL Prompt. Okay, so I have a table here that I want to split for whatever reason. Maybe for performance reasons. Maybe I want to normalize my database a little bit more. I'm going to right click on this contacts table. And here where we have Smart Rename, as covered in a previous video, we also have Split Table. So I'm going to select Split Table. That will open up this Split Table dialog window for me. And I simply have to go through this wizard. So we have 5 steps. The first step is to rename. So let's create a new table, contacts 2, and then hit next. I now choose which columns I want to move across. So I have the list on the left, and I'll go with address 1, address 2, address 3, and move them over. I'm also going to copy over my contacts ID, but that's not essential. When I'm happy with my selection, I'll hit next. I'll decide how I want to manage my keys. In this case, I'm going to leave as default. Once again, hit next. We now have a summary of what's going to happen and any warnings. Finally, I'm going to hit the View Script option, where I can view the script that is created by prompt, modify it if needs be, and run it when I'm happy. So that's a quick overview of the actions we can take when we want to split a table using SQL Prompt. Thank you.